Look at this. So this is one of my students' Google Analytics. As you can see, they've got almost 4,000 visitors in a single day. Total, it comes to over 8,000 new visitors to their website. There's 9,000 sessions. And have a look at this. If we scroll down, you're going to see that most of this traffic is from the USA, then United Kingdom, then Canada, then Australia. This is perfect. This is exactly the type of traffic we want to be seeing. So how did he do this? I'm going to show you right now. So welcome to ProfitCopilot.com. My name is MICK, and I'm here to help you to get more traffic so you can profit from your passion. So today I'm going to show you step by step how one of my students got these amazing results very quickly from a brand new website, no email list, not leveraging any industry connections or contacts. He built a brand new website. He wanted to get traffic to it very fast. So I gave him this strategy. He implemented it. He got amazing results. So now I'm sharing it with you guys. And this is the kind of stuff that nobody else is going to show you. So you won't learn these kind of techniques anywhere else. So how did he do it? It was really simple. It all started with amazing content. So how did he create amazing content? Well, as you know, I encourage you to create educational content. So teach people how to do something new. Simplify the process. Give them something that will actually help them to get results. So this is not about spamming pitches and offers. It's not even about trying to sell anything at this stage. When we want to make money on the internet, we have to deliver value first. So if you're not seeing success and the results that you deserve, ask yourself, how much value have you delivered in the last fortnight? How much value have you delivered in the last month, in the last 6 months? Ask yourself these important questions. And if you haven't delivered a great deal of value over that amount of time, then maybe it's time to rethink a few things about how you're doing it and start creating content that delivers value. So how did my student create value? Well, he created a case study. So because he was teaching people how to lose weight, all he did was talk to one of his customers about the results that they achieved thanks to his methods. So what he did was showed a before and after. So he created a case study and he detailed all the steps that his customer went through in order to achieve their results of weight loss. And then he published this as an article on his blog. The problem was no traffic. No one cared. He was sending out this link to other bloggers, to the media. No one picked up on it. No one cared. So how did he get these amazing results when nobody cared? Well, let me walk you through it now. So open up your browser window now. Open up a new tab and follow along. Let's go to the computer and I'm going to walk you through it now. Okay, so this is Google. You're probably familiar with it. So what I want you to type in now is originally appeared plus. So originally in quotes and then plus. Next, I want you to type in your niche. So maybe it's weight loss. So let's go weight loss. If I can spell it right. So weight loss. And here, what we're going to do is find websites that have got this. So it says something like this article originally appeared on. So we go to these websites. So let's choose this one. So let's open that in a new tab. Let's open this one in a new tab as well. And we go through all these different websites in your niche and scroll down. Let's have a look at this. So here you can see this is a before and after. This in itself is a case study. So let's scroll down to this article. Here you can see this article originally appeared on people.com and there's a link to the original article. So we would make a list of all the websites that republish, that syndicate other people's content. And do take your time to go through and compile a massive list, because not all of these are going to agree to republish or syndicate your content. And some of these will be massive websites, so they get pitched an awful lot every single day. So if we can drill down and find posts, so if we can change this keyword as well, so this Boolean search, sorry. So if we say something like, this post originally appeared, in quotes, plus your niche. So then we're going to find even more. We can change it to, this article originally appeared, and then get a different set of results. So that's how you do it. That's how you compile a list of websites that you can republish your content on. It's called syndication. So when you have a list, just reach out to the webmasters. If you need help with that outreach, have a look in the Vault membership area. I've got some outreach templates that you can copy and paste. Just have a look through there. And it's also really important to know, this is vital, that you do not republish or syndicate every piece of content you create. Do not do that. Because if you do that, what happens is Google will think that your website is not made up of any original content. So it won't rank you as high as it should. So this has to be done strategically. So go ahead, create as much content as you like, but syndicate only a small portion of that. And this is okay. You only need to syndicate a small portion and you'll still get really good results. So if you want more traffic methods, go to profitcopilot.com/traffic, get some new traffic methods that you've probably not seen before, get them for free. And if you found this useful, give it a thumbs up below, subscribe to the channel too, hit that little notification bell so you never miss another update from me, and I will hopefully see you again on Monday. Take care, guys.